today, my simple method for perfect poached eggs. So guys, let's do it. So the secret to perfectly poached eggs is simplicity. We don't need vinegar, we don't need any gadgets. So the first thing to note is we want really good, fresh, quality, free-range eggs. And the first tip, you want to use a cup, a glass, or a ramekin. You'll see why shortly. So crack your egg into the vessel of choice, and then we're ready to go. The only other things we need are a nice, clean, dry tea towel and some kind of spoon with some holes in. And obviously, we need a saucepan, big or small, it really doesn't matter. Depends on how many eggs you're poaching. So pop the pan on the hob, turn the heat up, pour in some boiling water, and then you want to turn the heat down straight away and leave the pan until the water is gently shimmering. We don't want any bubbles, we just want a nice light shimmer. And then, using a wooden spoon or a spatula or even chopsticks, swirl the water vigorously until you have a nice strong vortex. Soon as you have, allow the vortex to calm down until it's a nice strong swirl, and then gently drop in the egg. The vortex will beautifully bring together the white. Help it along by gently stirring to keep it going for a few moments. And now, the secret to a perfect poached egg, you want to leave the egg in there for between 2 and 2.5 minutes. So don't touch it, let it do its thing, and after about 2 minutes, you want to gently get it out, gently prod it with your finger, and you should be able to feel that the white is cooked, but the yolk is nice and runny and soft. If you need to, drop it back in for another 10-15 seconds, or if you're happy, pop it onto a tea towel, gently pat it dry. We do not want a watery egg. And there you have the ultimate method for the perfect poached egg. Super simple, super classic, no vinegar needed. The yolk is super runny and beautiful. The white is perfectly cooked, but still nice and soft. And the best way to serve a perfect poached egg is very simply with some toast. Pop your toast on a plate, lay over your eggs, season your eggs with a sprinkle of sea salt, a few twists of freshly ground black pepper, and all that's left to do is to get stuck in. So give this method a try, and I'll see you next time.